Hey, good looking. You want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine, swing out of my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, we're going to be doing pigs in a cornfield, and we're going to be doing it all in our crock pot because we're going to be rocking out with our crocks out. So, grab a hold of that vine and swing out of my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Now, before we even can start making that pigs in the cornfield in our crock pots, I have to sit there and share something with all of you. I have a bag that I just pulled out of my freezer. Now, I do this every year ever since Mrs. Wolfie, or Bev as some of us know her as, taught me to do. You just go down to a local farmer's corn stand, buy your favorite sweet corn like I did here, and you freeze the ear of corn and all just like this. Now, I'm going to be using this, and I just pulled this right out of my freezer. I mean, it is hard as a rock. Well, I'm going to sit there and let it defrost because I can't put it in my crock pot like this. I'm going to have to sit there and go ahead and defrost it a little bit. That way I can take off the husk and remove the silk. So, you're going to sit there and need 3 of them ears of corn that we froze up to use throughout the winter or fall months. And right there's my 3. Let's see if our frozen sweet corn is unfrozen yet enough for me. Ooh, I can start to... Okay, I'm going to sit there and now take all the corn silk off and dehusk it. And then I'm going to attempt to cut each ear in half. It's alright.
Sure?
Yeah. And here's the last one. So now I'm going to cut them in half and get them ready for our pigs in a cornfield. Okay, now I took this and I just chopped it in half. Alright, good looking. Let's get cooking. We're gonna get cooking them pigs in the cornfield. So go ahead, get out some cooking spray and spray the inside of our crock pot. Now that we have that sprayed, let's just quick go through the list of ingredients. This is one way I do make this dish, and I have some ham here. Here is the frozen up sweet corn that I just allowed to defrost enough for me to be able to take the husk and the corn silk all off of the corn and cut it all in half. I have some red potatoes. We're going to sit there and cut them or quarter them up real small. I have a half a cup of milk. We have salt, pepper, and you're going to need 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. Let's go ahead, open up the cans of soup, and add them to our crock pot. Now, just take them cream of chicken. I'm sorry if my arm's in the way. I don't mean for it to be. Just empty that all into your crock pot. Let's go ahead. Empty it all into our crock pot. Add that half a cup of milk. Go ahead. Add some kosher salt. Add some fresh crushed black pepper. grab a whisk or use your spatula and mix everything all up. Now, I like to grab some parsley, and I'll add roughly about 1 teaspoon or a little bit more. Throw that all in and mix that all up as well. Now, I'm going to take my red potatoes and I'm going to dice them all up. And this is what I mean by diced up potatoes. So I'm going to finish dicing up my potatoes and we'll be back. As you see, I have all my potatoes added. Now, make sure that you stir and you evenly coat and cover each and every one of them luscious potatoes all up in this creamy goodness. Okay, I cubed up my ham. Now let's go ahead and dump that all in. And I'm going to finish cubing up the rest, but I kind of went ahead and I got a little excited preparing this. I should have waited on putting the ears of corn in. So I'm just going to sit there and take them out because I want to stir all my ham into the potato mixture along with the soup mixture. So I'm just going to remove the ears of corn. Okay, as you see, I added the pigs, and now we got to mix them all into the field that our corn's all going to be planted in. Okay, now that we have everything all nice and covered, let's just even it all out, and it's time to plant that corn. Now let's sit there and slip our corn in and get it all planted in the field.
And we have one more. And there we go. There's your pigs in a cornfield.
Now, you can sit there and either set yours on low and cook yours for 7 hours, or you can sit there and put yours on high and cook it for anywhere from 3 to 4 hours. You decide which way you're gonna go. I'll see you when it's ready to eat. Okay, let's check out them pigs in the cornfield. So we're gonna open up our crock pot, remove the cover. Ooh, does that look good? I'm gonna grab a spoon and give everything a good stir. I can smell the sweet corn and all this other goodness. Now, I'm gonna mix up some cornstarch and make a little cornstarch slurry, and I'm just gonna thicken up all the sauces inside, unless you want to eat your potatoes just like that. Then you don't have to thicken it all up. Okay, we're gonna sit there and check up on our pigs in the cornfield, because the last time we checked up on it, it was near done, and we added a cornstarch slurry to thicken up the sauce to make a real nice gravy. Oh yeah. I'm gonna grab the tongs. Now I'll come in here, remove the ear or two, put them on your plate. Then I'm gonna grab some of this good old gravy along with the pigs who have been loose in the cornfield. And make sure you grab some of them good old potatoes. And there, that's how easy it is to make your very own pigs in a cornfield. Now, if you liked what you saw here today, please give me a thumbs up. Be sure to share this recipe with others. And if you're not yet a subscriber to my channel, go up, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way I'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. But most of all, thank you for taking the time and stopping by and supporting my channel. And here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Y'all come back now. Here. Now, George, you better keep that duck out of my fields, or otherwise I'm going to be serving you your duck in a cornfield next.
Ooh, allergies.